Alright, today my phone is going off wildly. Today we're going to be opening up some their other favorite TV show, PJ Masks. These are action figures. There's yours. And there's yours. You got Luna Girl? Hold on. You both got Luna Girl. But there's 3 different versions of Gecko. You could get Romeo, a Ninjalino, Night Ninja.
And we could have Unicorn.
You can get Connor and Amaya. But what's his name again?
Gecko.
No, his human name. It's Connor, Amaya, and what? Craig? He's not on here. That's weird. That doesn't go in your mouth. No, it doesn't go in your mouth. But here is the figure. They got the exact same one, so I don't have to show them both. But little, you okay?
Yes.
Ow! You headbutted my elbow. But you're showing her Luna Girl's butt. That's weird. Anyway, sit down. Sit down. You're so weird. Anyway, they're little just stand-up figures. So the boys will play with them. And apparently this video is over, so thank you for watching Debbie's channel. Subscribe if you enjoy our videos and Devlin's cuteness.